Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And it's Monday, August 29th. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. It was pretty warm here in Southern California. If you're on the East Coast, I certainly hope you guys were safe during Hurricane Irene. And I guess the good news is that it turned out to be a little bit more mild than we originally anticipated. So I guess that was good news. It could have been obviously worse. So, anyways, we hope you are safe and everything's going well for you folks. So, let's kind of begin. We got a very volatile week this week. We got a lot of economic news scheduled for the week, and we'll kind of start off with today's. So. And the first item of interest will become the personal incomes. Back in June, it was only went up 0.2%. We expected an increase, but it was kind of a slight increase, about 0.3% for July. So not a huge dramatic increase. It was kind of more flatline in a sense. The second item of note will be consumer spending. So let's take a look here. It was a negative 0.1% in June. We expected an increase, and of course we did get the increase. But if you look at back past Julys, we've had an increase due to basically back to school. So we've had the increase past. So this isn't great news, or because this is kind of more normal for Julys for back to school. So we'll take a look here. And now we got the core PCE price index. This is an important gauge for inflation, and basically I'll be right up front. It was 0.2 across the board, so nothing new or nothing surprising came in over there. Regards to the PCE, this is the personal consumption expenditure, and again, that's taken out the food and volatility of it, and this is what we got. So it's pretty tame. So, but of course, we want to keep an eye on that as well. And then also we got the pending home sales. Back in June it was up 2.2, excuse me, up 2.4%, and basically came in this month at July at negative 1.3%. So that obviously is not good. The housing sector is still looking pretty sluggish here, not good numbers. And July obviously should be a good month, but obviously not this July. So let's take a look here at the headline news, and basically the stock market's up. Stock market's up. We'll kind of go through reasons. There's less damage expected from Hurricane Irene. There's obviously a few deaths and stuff, and obviously there was damage, but it was not as bad as I think everybody anticipates. So it looks like we're starting the season for our hurricanes, obviously, and seems kind of actually early for hurricane season, but let's kind of proceed from here. And also another item of note was the Greek banks. There's two Greek banks that are looking to merge, Alpha Bank and Eurobank. That's creating some headway. So hopefully they're able to, if the problems are existing. So hopefully with the acquisition, they can merge, and hopefully they're able to get a little bit bigger and hopefully be in a stronger position. Kind of help themselves. Let's go into the bond market and see what's going on with the interest rates. We did drop a bit more. As we saw on Friday, we had a up, what do they call that? Opening gap upwards. So we had a pretty big gap here, and then we have a pretty gap downward. So these don't usually have a time of, it shows you the volatility in the market, but also these don't usually exist that long. So these gaps will eventually be closed. So right now we're down -9, and we're at 103.50 right now, and where the prior was 103.78. So interest rates are a little bit worse today. They're not as good today from what they were on Friday. We're probably closer to what we were on Thursday's pricing if you want comparable interest rates. So anyways, this kind of like a heads up for the day. So again, mortgage rates or interest rates are a little bit higher today, and probably about the same what they were on Thursday. So still good rates. Obviously, don't get disappointed. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. But if you guys are out looking to as a home buyer or looking to refinance, go ahead and take a look at my other website at CaliforniaMortgageTips.com. I'd love to see you there and take a look at the different various reports I have that are free. And if you would like to talk to me about your mortgage needs, also I can be reached through the California Mortgage Tips, either through email, my phone number, everything's on there. You guys have a wonderful day.